आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सेट चैप्टर 1 लेक्चर 1। सेट वेल डिफाइन ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स। आपने कलेक्शन का तो नाम बहुत सुना होगा, चाहे वस्तुओं का कलेक्शन हो या ऑब्जेक्ट्स का कलेक्शन हो या एलिमेंट्स का कलेक्शन हो। क्या हम सभी को सेट कर सकते हैं? तो सभी कलेक्शंस सेट नहीं हो सकते हैं, केवल वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ही सेट कहते हैं। सेट जिसे यूजुअली रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कैपिटल लेटर A B C D X Y Z से। फॉर एग्जांपल A is equal to A E I O U. This is well defined. Why? Because these are the vowels और इसमें कितने नंबर हैं? 5 नंबर्स हैं। This is the set of natural number 1 2 3 4 set of natural number. This is the set of real numbers and this is the real line and set of rational numbers, set of even numbers. This is the set of integers. This is the -2 -1 0. These types we can write down. But some of the collections are not well defined. How? The collection of best boy in a class, it is not well defined. The collection of good cricketer in India, it is not well defined. Because हम लोग अच्छे क्रिकेटर की कोई एक एग्जैक्ट परिभाषा नहीं है, बेस्ट बॉय की कोई एग्जैक्ट परिभाषा नहीं है। So this is the collection but not a set. This is the natural number and you know that 3 natural number का elements होता है। So 3 belongs to M. This symbol is called belongs to, but -3 does not belongs to M. How to express a set? We can write any set in 2 ways. The roster method. We list all the elements of the set. That means इस मेथड में हम लोग सेट के सारे एलिमेंट्स को एक एक करके लिख देते हैं। जैसे ये हमारा एक सिंपल सा सेट है A is equal to A E I O U. This is the set of vowels and this is curly bracket. It is always used for a set. Set builder method. We write a common property of an element. That means इस मेथड में हम लोग एलिमेंट्स के कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी को केवल लिखते हैं। जैसे x such that x is a vowel. This is only the property of this set and its element. Now we see the types of set. Finite set. A set which has finite number of elements is called finite set. So finite set, suppose that this is a set A E I O U and it has 5 number of elements, so it is a finite set. X such that X is an alphabet and it has 26 elements, so it is a finite set. The set of elements of words mathematics. So you can see here these are words MATEHCSI and number of elements in this set is 8. So we can see that यहाँ पर A 2 बार आया हुआ है लेकिन यहाँ एक ही बार लिखा गया है। T 2 बार आया है, यहाँ एक ही बार लिखा गया है। That means सेट में जो एलिमेंट्स लिखे जाते हैं उन्हें रिपीट नहीं किया जाता है। Now we can see here infinite set. A set which has infinite number of elements. That means the set of natural numbers 1 2 3. How many these are? These are infinite in numbers. So this is an infinite set. The set of real numbers, you can see the real line. Set of integers, This is also the set of integers and these are its elements. So this is a infinite set. What is the empty set? A set which has no elements is called empty set. इसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x सच दैट x बिलोंग्स टू n, यानी x जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर का एलिमेंट होना चाहिए और 4 और 5 के बीच में होना चाहिए. क्या आप 4 और 5 के बीच में किसी नेचुरल नंबर को निकाल सकते हैं? इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इट इज़ अ एम्प्टी सेट. Now there are the few problems. This is the set written in roster form 1, 4, 9, 10. We can write down this in a set builder method x such that x belongs to n and x is equal to n square. X is equal to n square, n is equal to 1 to 3 up to n. How can we write down this? That is, if we take n equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. This is the first element. N equal to 2. This means x equal to 2 square equal to 4. This is our second element. And this is n equal to 3. X equal to 2 to the power 3 is equal to this is 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. So these are its elements. So similarly we can write down this set x is equal to we can write down here x is equal to 5 to the power n. We can put n is equal to n its value, n equal to 1, so we will 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5, 5 to the power 2 equal to 25. So this way we can write down the elements of this. So these are the same set. This is written in roster form. This is written in set builder form. Similarly, we can understand